Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana and where the price could be heading next and the key levels to watch out for. So starting with Bitcoin, as I mentioned in the previous video, we saw a 5-wave move up, 5-wave move up, and after a successful 5-wave move, it is very likely to see a ABC correction, and I feel like we are seeing that now, and this is the potential B. Oops, and we might see it. So some of the key levels that we have to watch out for. So starting off with the minor resistances. So we're at the key 50% fib level at the moment, and I feel like it is likely to test the golden level 0.618 and then potentially see a move towards the C wave. And there's some of the key levels that we must watch out for to ensure this bullish bias. It is we need to make sure we don't break below 54,345. Well, ideally I don't want to see a break below the 0.618 fib level, which is 55,700. I mean, it, it can it can be a very deep C wave, but I think it's a bit too steep for my liking, which could actually be the beginning of a 1-2-3 wave, and if we see a 4-5 wave, that is a potential bearish signal. So to continue this bullish bias at the moment, we saw the 5-wave move up, and we're potentially seeing the ABC correction now, whether it tops here now at the 0.5 level, or if we see another leg up higher to the golden level, and then see the C wave. But just keep in mind the rate cut is happening on Thursday, so the market is quite uncertain. So we could see just a just a crazy price action in the next 2 days, but as of now, in terms of technical analysis, these are the key levels we're watching out for. So just to Ethereum. Ethereum price action is honestly not looking too great. You could consider this as a 5-wave move. Very choppy. The C wave, the third wave is quite small. But if we do consider this as a 5-wave move, um, it's honestly a very deep pullback at the moment. So honestly, I think it's quite unlikely that. Well, it's just my opinion, but I think we have to look at this in a different perspective. So marking from the low to the top, we are already testing the golden level of 0.618. If we do find support here, we'd hope to see the bulls come in and drive the prices higher. But as of now, we will have to watch for this level. If we can hold above this golden level, we will be most likely testing this. We'll most likely be testing the resistance area that we have, which is between 2.3 and then 2.5-ish. So like we can see, we are at the very bottom of the channel, and we have seen a lot of reactions in the past, and we might see another one. with the rate cuts happening in less than 48 hours, we could see the price drive up. But we'll have to keep our eyes out on these key levels first. To Solana now. Solana, yeah, we created a 5-wave move up, just like Bitcoin. It was quite clear. And then we might be seeing an ABC correction. Let me just get some of the levels now. Some of the levels to watch out for on this ABC pullback. We need to make sure that, let me just tidy this up. So we want to make sure we, actually I think it's very likely that we test the 0.5, 0.6 level in the short term and see if we can create a C wave. And for the C wave, I do not want the price to break below 124. So that will be the key level that I'll be watching out for to maintain the bullish bias. So we'll see what happens in the next 48 hours. Well, in less than that for the ABC correction, and we'll see if this correction plays out. But like I said, this correction most likely 3-wave move A, B, somewhere around here, and a C wave, and then start another 5-wave move up. But I think the one thing to note at the moment is the psychology behind the potential move that's going to happen for the rate cut that's happening in less than 48 hours. I've been seeing a lot of bullish news. A lot of people are very bullish, and that's the one thing that worries me at the moment, is because usually in the market when a lot of people expect, I mean, it doesn't always happen like that, right? But like, trend is your friend, of course, but in terms of some of the moves that happen when people are anticipating that move, sometimes the opposite happens. And yeah, everyone is expecting the rate cut to be something very bullish. But I pointed out earlier that the Feds might be potentially cutting 50 basis points, which is a pretty big cut, which could potentially give the idea of hard landing to some people and cause the market to react negatively. So yeah, so the few things to watch out for, and just be careful with your trades because the market will be very volatile. So yeah, so I gave you all the levels to watch out for. Keep your eyes out, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.